Welcome to Arnott Suspension Products. We'll walk you through the process of installing a new Arnott rear air spring for the Lincoln Navigator, UN173, and Ford Expedition, UN93, with rear-wheel drive. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by setting the steering to straight ahead, raising the vehicle, and removing the rear wheel. Remove the airspring solenoid retaining clip. Rotate the solenoid counterclockwise to the first stop, then carefully pull out to vent the air pressure from the airspring. After the airspring is deflated, turn again and remove the solenoid from the airspring. With pliers or a suitable hook tool, remove the clip that secures the top of the airspring to the chassis. To access the clip, go under the wheel arch between the body of the vehicle and the chassis. Remove the piston-to-axle spring seat clip. The airspring is held in place with a round retainer clip under the piston cap. To unsnap the clip, gently pry between the piston and axle. The clip will unsnap when pressure is applied. Then, carefully remove the airspring from the vehicle. Seal off the solenoid to prevent any dirt or grease from entering the system. Installation is in the reverse order of the airspring removal. Use the supplied O-rings for the airspring solenoid and make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the rear airspring of a Lincoln Navigator or Ford Expedition with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.